Hello friends, this is Ayaan. You are watching YouTube channel Ayaan Edulogy. Friends, today we will prove one of the formula of a plus b to b whole square. Sorry, not of a plus b to b whole square. Today we will prove one of the formula of a square plus b square. But if you want to know that how to prove the formula of a plus b to b whole square and a minus b to b whole square by taking the LHS and RHS both, then the link of those videos are given in the description box. You can see from there. So let's start the video. So the first formula, हम लोग आज वन ही फार्मूला प्रूफ करने वाले हैं a plus b to b whole square का, that is a minus b to b whole square plus 2ab. If we will prove by taking the RHS, then what is the RHS here? It's a minus b to b whole square plus 2ab. Now we know that it's a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab. Now minus 2ab and plus 2ab, that has the opposite sign, so it will be just cancelled. Then what will be here? It's a square plus b square, and that is the LHS. So hence we have proved. Now if we will prove by taking the LHS, then what is the LHS? It's a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square. Now subtract 2ab. Then it is the rule of mathematics. If we will subtract anything, then we should add it. So I will add here 2ab. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab means a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula of a minus b to b whole square plus 2ab. Hence we have proved taking the LHS. Now a square plus b square का एक और derivation, एक और formula होता है, and that's a square plus b square equals to a plus b to b whole square minus 2ab. So this is the LHS and this is the RHS. If we will prove by taking the LHS, then the LHS is a square plus b square, and it's a square plus b square. Now again we will subtract 2ab, so we should add 2ab. It's the rule of mathematics. Then a square, now this will come here, plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab, and that's the formula of a plus b to b whole square minus 2ab. And that's we have proved taking the LHS. Now we are going to prove by taking the RHS. And what is the RHS? So the RHS is a plus b to b whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab. Now हम लोग इसको डायरेक्ट फैक्टराइज कर देंगे and then we will get the result as a square plus b square, and that we have to prove. So it's so easy. We will factorize it. It's a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab. Again opposite side, plus 2ab and minus 2ab cancel. We will get a square plus b square, and that we have to prove, and hence we have proved. And so आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में कुछ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के साथ. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं देन सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड नोटिफिकेशन कॉल पे प्रेस करें ताकि मेरे हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. अपना ख्याल रखें और दुआ में याद रखें. बाय बाय.